Welcome to the virtual Boeing 737 NG. Here you see the nose wheel well. With the mouse or with the arrows, you can move within the main screen. The lower nose compartment. The plus and minus buttons, or the scroll wheel on the mouse, can be used to zoom in and out. The radar view on the right screen will change accordingly. The flight deck. To go to another view, select Previous or Next Scene. You can also use the red dots on the right screen. The E&E compartment. The left main landing gear wheel well. The right main landing gear wheel well. On the iTunes Store is an interactive ebook available for download. For more details, visit us on www.omni4u.ch.